Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make this beautiful color for your shirt if you want to wear something nice like that but you don't want to wear the dress shirt under. So this is how I'm going to share with you today. Very easy. And so here I have the fabric that I already cut is 15 inches square. You can use any kind of fabric, but I'm using this one is 100% cotton fabric. It is really nice for the summer. You don't want to wear anything polyester because it make your neck really warm and it's hot. So anyway, this fabric I cut it 15 inches square. And I already in the back I already ironed lightweight in the face and in the back of the fabric because I don't want it too hard. I just want the colors to stand up when you wear it. So I'm gonna fold in like a triangle. When you fold, you're going to make sure all the side and everything are um, even, line up all sides. And iron this because the interface and facing out, so use the medium low heat. If you want, you can cut the triangle with midway interfacing. Only if you have midway, then you cut a triangle. After you fold, trace it on the midway interfacing and cut just this. You don't need to use the other side. But I have lightweight, so I use the whole square. So fold it in half this way. Make sure everything is right in the center. Okay, now this is the center line. I'm gonna go up. I would do 3 inches. This is the center line right here, everyone. I'm gonna go up 3 inches. And then from the center to the left, center to the right, I'm gonna go a quarter up an inch. Go to here, connect quarter up an inch, and connect this one too, quarter up an inch, go straight down. Now you're going to sew on the side of the quarter up an inch, going up here, go right to here, and going down this line. So on this pointy and then on this pointy too. On the bottom here, what the pointy, you're gonna mark 1 inch, and then on the top here, you're going to go 2 inches. Then you know exactly you connect this. So connect this from there to here, like so. Same thing to this side. You're gonna go 1 inch and then 2 inches, and connect how symbol. Let me check. Okay, 2 inches. Now that is symbol, very easy. We're going to sew, but let me mark for you so you know. I'm gonna mark here. You're going to go and sew this up, sew it here, sew it down, and on the side follow this, sew it up a quarter up and in, go all the way down to here, and leave this open, going down to here and sew it down. If you want, you can mark a quarter up and in, but everybody machine has that, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna go and pin for something like this. I'm gonna do a very good pin. Yesterday I went to Ocean Steak Job Lot. I don't know why I go there, But when I went in there the very first time, everyone, I was shocked that they have all kind of decoration for garden. Then I love that I found Buddha. Oh my goodness, when I saw the Buddha, I feel like I just found some gold. Unbelievable. I was so happy. I got it and I placed it in front of my yard. And I will show you someday. My God, and people walk by, they thought that it's a temple, Buddhist temple. I tell you, I just so in love with all that decoration like Buddha and I don't know. When my mom passed away, I got one Buddha, beautiful, and I placed in the front yard just for her. And one time I went somewhere and coming home with my husband, and then all of a sudden I look over, the Buddha is gone. Someone stole it. Can you believe that? You stole a Buddha so you can pray? What going on with people? I was shocked, and then I told my sister, and I said, someone stole my Buddha. I just left it a few days ago in my yard. And she said, that's okay. Someone needs the Buddha to pray. I went, what is going on with you? And she's like, it's okay. It's okay. Just Buddha. And hopefully that Buddha will help that person too. Maybe they coming home and then they think about something they do wrong and they bring it back to you. No, she was wrong. It's more than 10 years and my Buddha never come back. So funny that I thought about what she said. Every time I see the Buddha, I'm like, my sister said the Buddha gonna come back. And then I'm like, oh no, I'm not waiting. I'm gonna get the new one. That is so funny. I mean, you losing something and then you think it's funny. That's the best. Anyway, after I sew on this, go all around here and go down. And then on here, I sew this and go down. I'm gonna go and trim this out. You want to trim around here, you feel free to do that. I am. In the area that I leave it open, I'm not gonna go and trim that, but everywhere else, you feel free to do so. Now, we're gonna go inside out. And then come back and show you what next. Okay, so now like this, you're gonna iron all around, and then we're going to top stitch all around here, go to here, go down and top stitch. Everyone, after I iron, you're going to go and top stitch. You can go anywhere. I'm gonna go from the corner, go down here, go to here, and go straight here, go down, go all around this. everyone, after I top stitch all around, you need to pay attention when you top stitch on this area, because this area gonna show, and this one not too much because you're gonna stuck inside the shirt. So, and here you can see this, the side that we sew, you're gonna pull it down this way. You can do, if you want a big color go down it like this, you can, or you want to make a small one, you can go smaller, but I like this big one down all the way like this. But make sure when you press this down, you don't want to pull this corner is gonna look like this. Okay, if you want to pull like this, it doesn't look good. It folds this, so you have to relax that area a bit. So pull this down. And this side gonna come down here too. There you can see this is the color of your shirt, and this wrap around your neck, and here you can add the button to it right here, so it's stuck right in here and it snaps. You see how it overlaps so nice like that. Wrap around to see if it's good, then you can do the button like this, tuck that inside. I'm gonna take one out. I'm gonna go in the back like this so you don't make a mistake in the back here, and then you're going to add this right on, and then snap this down. Now this down, and on this side you're gonna make sure that you do the right thing. Then you're gonna go like this, and this one it go from here, okay, and it go from the top down. The one on the left goes from the top down, and then add this one. Sometimes you can snap with your finger too. There. And then when you wear it, you're gonna go right into here, and then you're going to snap this button. And it's easy to take it in and out. I'm gonna make another one right next to it, just in case, like that. Add another one. This is optional, but so just in case that you want to lose a little bit, then go down to that one and then tie a little bit going in. Yeah. So either way, you can go to the first one, and if you want to lose, go to the first one, not go into the second one. So just like this, everyone, and the color here, and I'm wearing the shirt like this, the sweater, and I'm gonna place it here, wrap around my neck, go in the back here. I'm gonna snap with the button. Just so you know, if you want the color to go down, deeper down, then instead of cutting 3 inches, you go 4. And now you're gonna stuck this inside of your shirt. There you have it. See, this is what I mean. If you want it to be deeper, like this pointy, go down more, then go down at 4 inches instead of me doing 3. Okay, but that basically it, everyone. It's so cute, and you can make all different colors you want. It's sometimes it's too hot and you don't want to wear another shirt inside, you can just wear that on the top. Next time I'm gonna make it round here and then add some ribbon around it, the lace around it. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video today, and I hope this helpful, and I hope you're making this for yourself, your family, or even for gift. Love you, take care, stay safe everyone.